Hey everyone, I'm Tahsina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of my student apartment here in Lappeenranta, Finland. It's a small but cozy, so let's head inside. Right when you walk in, on the wall beside the door, we have this little telephone. It rings when someone presses the calling bell outside the building. There's also this grey button next to it that lets you open the main building gate for guests. Below that, we've got a small shoe rack. Nothing fancy, just where we keep our everyday shoes. Next to that is our main storage or almira. It has 4 sections. In the first 2, we keep our jackets, sweaters, and our backpacks. The top shelf holds some random essentials like sewing stuff, medicines, and other bits and bobs. The third section is where we fold and keep our regular clothes. And the last one, all our cleaning supplies. It's very practical to have everything in one place. Oh, and this little device here by the door is a thermometer. It shows the current room temperature. Right in front of the entrance, there's another small storage area where we keep my husband's jackets and hoodies. Now, welcome to our main living space. It's compact, but we've made it really cozy. Let's start with the kitchen area. In this section, I keep the everyday cooking stuff: salt, sugar, lentils, and all our packaged food. Over here, I have our baking sheets and pepper stocked up. And just next to that, my spice section. Some basic utensils live here too. This next part is where I store all our food boxes and snacks. Easy to grab when we are in a hurry. This is probably my favorite kitchen feature. Our plates, mugs, and glasses go up here. It's right above the sink, so you can keep them wet and they drain naturally. We've got another cabinet here where we just keep some random kitchen things, extra containers, wraps, tools. This is our tiny but very helpful microwave, super handy for quick meals. Besides that, we have a small stool and a table. Simple, but it gets the job done. This corner is our little work zone. Me and my husband usually sit here with our laptops. We've also got a small TV for background noise or late night binge sessions. Right across from that is our bed. It's a bit tight for 2 people, but we are managing fine. And this is our cozy little couch. Honestly, we probably spend most of our free time right here just relaxing. I have an oven for baking, which I use quite a lot for cakes and cookies. And we've got 4 stoves, so I can easily cook multiple things at once. It really helps me when I'm juggling a busy schedule. Our fridge is pretty big, which is super helpful for storing everything in bulk. Now, let me quickly show you our bathroom. For a student apartment, I'd say it's a pretty decent size. We've got 2 racks here where I keep all our toiletries, towels, and other things nicely organized. It helps keep the space from feeling cluttered. shower area is quite spacious, super clean and really thought out in terms of layout. There is a glass partition that separates the shower from the rest of the bathroom. It doesn't go all the way through, but it's enough to keep water from splashing everywhere, which I really appreciate. Now I will quickly take you down to the storage area. It's just outside the main apartment unit and it's really handy. There's a shaded storage area here where residents can park their bikes or store larger items. It's a shared space but kept pretty neat. And we also have personal storage options like some small units where you can store your unused things like seasonal clothes, extra furniture or luggage. It really helps when your apartment is as compact as ours. Now, one thing we don't have in our building is a washing machine. For laundry, we have to go to the next building. It's literally just one building away. That building has 2 washing machines and you need to book a time slot to use them. I usually reserve both machines because I prefer to separate my darks and lights. I usually run the quick wash cycle. It takes about 30 minutes and works perfectly for our needs. After washing, I hang everything in the drying room using strings. I try to avoid using the dryer since I feel it damages the fabric quality over time. Air drying works just fine for us. So, that's a full tour of our student apartment from LOAS. It's small, but it's truly home for us. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Or if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.